It's Thursday, April 30th. In the headlines, Consumer Affairs Commission urges return of recalled Pan-Caribbean packaged brown sugar over safety concerns. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness clarifies the process of how the CEO of National Reconstruction and Resilience Authority will be appointed. In business news, Jamaica's banking system is set to expand transfer options. Regionally, new regional trade show platform launched in Trinidad and Tobago. And in sports, World Cup to enforce strict new laws on player gestures and protests. This is the news on PBC Jamaica. I'm Simone Absalom Gale. For the full newscast, head over to our YouTube and Facebook pages.